DJI fans, get ready for something big. After months of speculation, rumors, and leaked images, it looks like DJI is about to shake up the drone world again with the upcoming release of the Mavic 4. Whether you're an experienced pilot or new to drones, this is one release you don't want to miss. Let's dive into everything we know so far about the leaks, features, and possible release date of the DJI Mavic 4. Over the past few months, the DJI Mavic 4 has popped up in leaked photos and videos, giving us a sneak peek into what might be DJI's most advanced drone yet. The most striking leak involves the triple camera setup. This means improved versatility for photographers and videographers, offering a variety of shooting options that weren't available in previous models. Rumor has it that the Mavic 4 will also come with a new gimbal mechanism that allows the camera to tilt 90 degrees up or down. This could be a game changer for capturing aerial shots from unique angles. But that's not all. According to recent leaks, the camera housing has been completely redesigned, making it even easier to get the perfect shot in challenging conditions. This new setup looks sleek and practical, perfect for drone enthusiasts who want a high-quality camera system that's also durable. One of the most exciting updates comes in the form of the Mavic 4's battery. Leaks suggest that the drone will feature a significantly larger 99.5 watt-hour battery, which is a big step up from the Mavic 3's 77 watt-hour battery. This increase in battery size could mean longer flight times, which is great news for those who enjoy long-distance flights or want to capture extended videos without having to swap batteries. To put it into perspective, the Mavic 3 tops out at around 46 minutes of flight time, while the Mavic 3 Pro offers up to 43 minutes. With the upgraded battery in the Mavic 4, we can expect even longer flight sessions. For those who rely on their drones for professional photography, videography, or just extended recreational use, this is a major advantage. Now, let's talk about the burning question on everyone's mind. When is the Mavic 4 coming out? Although DJI hasn't made an official announcement, the leaks and hands-on footage suggest that the Mavic 4 is in its final stages of development. With the drone appearing in a more complete form recently, some sources predict that DJI could release it before the end of the year. As for pricing, nothing has been officially confirmed, but based on previous releases, we can estimate that the Mavic 4 will be priced around the same range as the Mavic 3 at launch, which was around $2,000 for the base model. Of course, the price could be higher depending on the different configurations or bundles DJI decides to offer, especially with the rumored Scene and Pro versions. The DJI Mavic 4 is shaping up to be one of the most anticipated drone releases of the year. With its triple camera setup, improved gimbal, and longer battery life, it's clear that DJI is pushing the limits of what drones can do. Whether you're a professional drone pilot or just love flying for fun, the Mavic 4 could be the upgrade you've been waiting for. If you're excited about the Mavic 4 or want to stay updated on the latest news and rumors, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any updates.